private sector players can actually do business with government. We can succeed in public-private partnerships. We can also succeed in public-private community property. So that kind of direction and leadership, I really am joined for this.
Welcome. This is the National Farm Project. We are currently in 12 districts. We have got additional financing for 4 additional districts.
Vision Group has done is a very, very important thing, bringing all the agricultural people together to see how best we can do validation to our products that we produce out of agriculture, and then to mechanize agriculture. Whoever has not known about this should come and see within these 3 days and see how best we can be able to get agriculture mechanized. I was actually very, very impressed with the equipment that I've seen. And based on that, as government, we will make sure that we improve our budget on agriculture.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.